Hey guys, thank you for clicking. You know what time it is. It's Wednesday. So nice to have you guys again. I've missed you guys. And did you guys notice I changed my hair? I was so tired of the other hair. I was like, no, I have to do something else. And I got this one on. I hope it's beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna rock this for a while. So anyways, let's go into what we're gonna talk about today. So today, Valentine is around the corner, and I was like, a lot of us have ideas and plans and things that we want to do, or some people don't know, some people can afford to do some things, or they just don't have ideas. And I was like, you know what, I'm just going to share some pointers, some key points or things that you can do regardless if you have money or not. Yeah, for me, Valentine is more a day that it's like a love day for me. The day you just express the way someone makes you feel openly, and I say openly like to them, not necessarily like in a crowd, like, you know, around other people. No, it's not just that. It's just like the day you extend or express, sorry, the way someone makes you feel. And sometimes people go, you know, overboard, buy a lot of stuff. It's really nice. I love that. Trust me, growing up, oh my god, I used to always look forward to Valentine even more than my birthday in a way. I mean, not because I wouldn't get gifts from home, but Valentine's Day, you would get gifts from admirers and all of that. Yeah, so it's really fun. So I don't have any problem with that. But I just wanted people to realize that Valentine's Day is just a day that you can express love to the people that you love. And if you don't have money, you can totally still have fun. So for starters, let's say your mom, if your mom's a single parent like my mom, and you want to express how much you're proud of her and how much you love her, you could do something really sweet for her on Valentine's Day. Like, write the way she makes you feel, like a poem or a letter to her. You know, surprise her with something like that. Or give her a spa treatment at home. You don't have to go to a spa, you know, I mean, a spa salon to do something like that. You could just work with the tools you have, you know, like get water, go on YouTube, see videos of how you can just pamper yourself at home and do something like that for her that day. I think she would really appreciate it. It's not just about your partner or your loved one. I mean, like your husband or your boyfriend. I mean, more like someone else, like a friend, like your mother. You know, just someone that you really, really want them to know that I really love you and I appreciate it. And also even people that you don't know. Okay, yeah, that's my phone. Sorry, guys. So also people that you don't even know. But just, you know, people who you love them, you know, like you don't have to be related to them, but you really love them and you want to show that love. You know, buy them gifts, surprise them, or send money into like some charity cause, you know, or orphanage, something like this. You don't always have to let people know that you did it, but just do something out of love. Just express your love, and that's what I feel Valentine is for me. And I'm gonna give you guys an idea of something that I'm trying to do. I'm gonna do, not trying actually. So my husband loves watching movies a lot. I'm the person that if I see 3 movies, I'm done. If you put another one, even the third one, I'm already like feeling not good. If you put another one, I start to have a headache. I just feel like there's like petrol in my head, and it's, you know, I don't know how to explain it. It's just a terrible headache. But he can go on with movies, and I was like thinking, well, what can I do to surprise him? So I got us what's it called, this premium package from a cinema. I've never been to the cinema, but god, it was really fancy. I mean, you know those kind of cinemas, if you've been there, where they give you like champagne, they have rooms for that, they give you champagne, popcorn, they give you like a tray, a whole lot. This is not a sponsored video, I'm just giving you ideas of the things that you can do for Valentine. So yeah, just wanted to point that out. So I got these, and this is how it looks. It's really, really fancy. And right inside you see the what's it called, the coupon, right? Is that what they call it? Yeah, the coupon of all the things that you can get when you go there, just because of this package that I bought. It's a lot. Look at it. It's like a long list. I could get popcorn. There's also champagne, like I said, and the last one. And then I have like 2 vouchers, and then we could get food and a whole lot of stuff. So he doesn't know about this, and I know he's gonna love it because I know that he loves to watch movies. So that's something you can also do. It doesn't have to be something you spend so much money, but just extend or express is the right word, express the way someone makes you feel, and I think they would really appreciate it. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if this is your first time, where have you been? Subscribe so you can see more of me. I hope to see you guys next week, Wednesday. You know that I love you, right? But God loves you best. Bye for now. Cheers.